Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make our Candyland earrings. These cute earrings feature complementary holiday charms that can easily be switched out for any holiday of your choosing. So let's take a look at the tools and products we'll need to make them. Okay, for this project, I will be using 3mm Swarovski crystal bicone beads in the light Siam and emerald. And then I'm using 6mm Swarovski crystal round beads in light Siam and emerald. I have a 19mm antique silver gingerbread man charm by TierraCast. And then I've got a 25mm antique silver candy cane charm by TierraCast. I have 4 5mm antique silver petal bead caps by TierraCast. I have some 12mm sterling silver French ear wires with a little 2mm ball. And then I've got some 22 gauge 2-inch silver eye pins. For my tools today, I will just be using chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, and wire cutters. You can find links to all these beads and supplies in the description below. So let's get started. Okay, so to begin these earrings, I'm going to make the guy first out of these mismatched earrings. So to do that, I'm going to grab one of the eye pins. I'm going to grab a 3mm light Siam bicone. I'm going to just thread it on till it comes down to the loop on the eye pin. Then I'm going to grab one of the bead caps, and it's going to be the cup side facing away from the bicone that I just added. So it comes down like that. Then I'm going to add the 6mm emerald round, so it'll just sit in that little bead cap. And then I add another bead cap, but this time it's cup side facing my bead, so your bead cap is just cupping that 6mm bead. And then I add my last 6mm light Siam bicone there on the top. All right, so now I'm ready to just make a simple loop on the open end of my eye pin here. So to do that, I just take my thumb and I put it right above that bicone, and then I just bend over the wire at a 90-degree angle there. Then I'll take my wire cutters and I'm going to cut off the tail here, so I just have enough to turn a simple loop. I'm going to do that. I set aside my tail. Then I take my round nose and I'm grabbing just at the tip of the wire there, and then I'm going to just roll this back to create a simple loop. And then I just take my round nose and sometimes I'll just adjust it so it sits evenly and straight on top of your bead unit. For these earrings, you need the loops to be opposite of each other instead of them matching. So I always take one chain nose here, grab on one side, and then I'll grab the other loop and I just make sure that they're going in the right direction. So one's going to be facing front and then one's going to be sideways. So I'm going to take the loop, open the loop that I just made here to the side. I'm going to add my little candy gingerbread guy there on there. And then I'm going to just close that loop. And the nice thing too about these charms is that they're double-sided. So it's like they're pretty forgiving when you're putting them on there. And now I'm just ready to add my ear wire. So there's 2 ways that you can add these ear wires, because I do have this little ball here and your simple loop is not going to just fit over the top of that. You can either open your simple loop and then slide it onto the ear wire, or you can open your ear wire just moving that little loop to the side, and then I just thread the ear wire on to the simple loop and thread it through the back until it comes to the front. And there, it's like it's on there perfect. And then you just close the loop on your ear wire. And there you have it. You have this cute little earring here with the little gingerbread man. And then here is the matching one with the little candy cane. And as you can see on this one, we just did opposite colors, where you have the 3mm emerald bicone, the 6mm light Siam round, and then another 3mm emerald bicone. And I think these are really cute earrings. They're fun. It's like they complement each other, but they're not so matchy-matchy. And they would be really easy to switch out into any other holiday of your choosing. If you changed the colors and the charms, you could do Halloween, you could do Valentine's Day, you could do Easter. You really could do any kind of holiday charms, or not even holiday charms. Maybe you just, have 2 charms that mean something to you and colors that you like. This design could be easily customized to really fit anybody's style. So I hope you enjoy this design, and you can find all the products and tools for this inspiration design at fusionbeads.com.